Hello, my name is RedTeam and for this task I reviewed and revised the final project document again, and I helped with researching and answering the programming skills question. And through this I learned that a race condition is an instance where two threads are trying to access the same data, a portion of data at the same time, which is impossible because only one process can access it. And the problem with this is it's hard to identify and debug this because it's hard to replicate it because the program won't give you an error because it won't give you a flag. So that's the complexity in debugging it. And I found that through this project, again, just managing my time and trying to understand ARM architecture is difficult because I haven't been getting much hands-on experience with it since Hunter has been focusing and learning the subject himself very well.
Do you think the things you learn will be beneficial towards your future?
Of course, it would help me become a better developer and not just a coder.
Hello, my name is Daniel Evans. For this assignment, my goal was to properly prepare the table, schedule some of the meetings, along with do the Slack and the GitHub portion of the task. During this task, we faced several difficulties with scheduling. Coming off spring break, we're trying to get back into the groove. What I learned is that multiple threads. From what I've learned from this assignment, I've had a better understanding of parallel skills. I found out how to do multi-threading with my programs and not override the ID of the first one with the second one. And I think it'll be very beneficial for my development skills and hopefully software engineering skills in the future.
My name is Juana Tavera. My task for this assignment was to help answer the questions on the parallel programming skills part. What I learned from this assignment was that in parallel programming, most software uses one of two major coordination patterns: message passage and mutual exclusion. The most challenging experience I encountered was understanding the ARM program since I haven't really had any hands-on experience. It's been more conceptual. I will definitely use this information that I learned from this assignment in future assignments involving parallel programming.
My name is Hunter Pinley. I was the team leader for this assignment. I'm also responsible for the ARM programming and parallel programming with the Raspberry Pi, as well as informing my peers how these things work. So this program, it's kind of, we're slowly evolving from each project what we're doing. The last one kind of struck me by surprise. It was a little bit harder, so this time I've become a little more prepared, doing it a little more separated rather than everything in one night. So this time the code should be exactly right and we should be well informed. Obviously just time management is one of the biggest things that I struggle with. Huh?
How would this help you in your future?
Honestly, my time management, obviously, because you can't do this all in one night, and obviously the programming too. So, but it's slowly evolving.
What's the most challenging part?
Honestly, just the programming, because before it was a fairly straightforward program that we'd write when we do our example, but now it's you have to actually think a little bit, and thinking is hard. So, so yeah, it's a little bit harder now. So that's why I've given myself more time to do it rather than wait till the very last second to do it. So.
Introduce yourself.
Alright, so I'm Reggie Jean. I'm doing the video for this assignment and a lot of conceptual stuff, I guess.
Okay. What have you learned from this assignment?
In this assignment, I've really just gone over conceptual stuff, and in the ARM programming, we've learned some things about the GNU debugger, and we've just been learning a couple things from that. And Hunter's been showing us a couple of the codes, so that's about it.
How will you apply what you learned in your next assignment, academic life, and in the future?
I'll apply what we've learned by just, continuing to progress and move forward and advance in ARM programming. Yeah, that's about it too.
What was the best/most challenging worst experience you encountered?
The best experience I've encountered is having fun with the video, and the worst experience will have to be just not getting enough information on the ARM in time to finish the assignment. That's about it.